Hey everyone, welcome to the first ever sharing of recipes for Piccola Cucina. I'm sharing here with you a very easy chocolate pie recipe. This is a box of our sweetened almond pie shell. There's 2 shells per box, and this is our slightly sweetened shell. What I have here in the bowl is 300 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's about 1.5 cups. And I've had it simmering over a double boiler. You can also melt this in the microwave in spurts of 30 seconds or so and just mix it in between. You can substitute this for Lily's chocolate if you're on a keto plan, or dairy-free chocolate chips. Any of that will do. And so what I'm going to do here now is very simply add the chocolate chips. So be careful when you're pulling the bowl off of the hot water there. Add the chocolate chips into a blender. Guys, this recipe is so easy. You're gonna make it all the time. So just getting all that melted chocolate into the blender. And then I'm using a can of coconut milk. Throw that into the blender. Just get all the chocolate in there. So that's the longest part of that recipe. Let me show you here. So what I've done is pre-bake these almond shells for about 12 to 15 minutes. And then you just take the chocolate filling and split it between the 2 crusts. Super simple. This will fill 2 of the 8-inch crusts. And guys, that is it. Super easy chocolate pie. 300 grams or 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, and can of coconut milk. And then we put this in the fridge to set for about 4 hours. And when you bring it back out, you can top it. I've got some nice, beautiful strawberries chopped up here, perfect for Valentine's Day, or you can top it with some. I've got shredded coconut as well. So once it's set, you can add some toppings, fresh raspberries or shaved coconut, whatever you'd like. Thanks for watching.